So we can see some nice pumice in the tuff here. All these white balls are bits of pumice blown out of a volcano.
Now, that just flaked right off when you hit it. So
yep, you just pulled the pumice ball right out of there.
now, what is pumice? How is it different than the?
Pumice is a frothy volcanic glass. It's got lots of holes in it. If you looked at it in the hand lens, you might actually be able to see the individual holes. Yeah, you can see that it's very porous material. Take a look at it.
So how does it end up in the middle of this other rock?
It's actually a ball of pumice that's flowing through the air and is entrained in this ash flow as it's being deposited. Okay, we're ready to go?
Yeah, we're going to head up to the orange next?
Yeah, let's go on up to the next outcrop.
Okay.
Some nice tuff to the left there. Watch your step. It's pretty treacherous.
It's a pretty useful tool.
Whoop,
careful
okay.
there.
Yep, I cut myself.
Up here we have to be very careful. This area may be beautiful, but the volcanic rock has eroded over the years, and as a result, we're standing on a very loose and sand-like surface.
Okay. Watch your step here. Well, yeah, what we're looking at here is the contact between the red tuff on our right and the white tufts on the left. And we can see a nearly vertical contact here and nearly vertical layering in the white tuff. There's a zone in there that looks like it has a lot of rock fragments, pebbles, little tiny pebbles in it. And it has a white tuff sitting on top of it that is looks like it's dipping off steeply to our left. And what we think is that this white tuff is younger than the red tuff, and they were both originally deposited nearly horizontal, and then the whole mass of rock here, the red and the white, has been tilted up to nearly vertical. Pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
Watch your step, and let you stop right about there and take a look behind me. This is a fantastic outcrop. You can see the red tuff sitting on top of the white material, and it looks like there's a horizontal contact.
Yeah.
And what's happened there is that the red tuff, you remember, is older than the white tuff.
Yeah.
It was sitting below the white tuff where we last saw it. The red tuff has probably been tilted up along with the white tuff and then shoved on top of the white tuff. So imagine those two being deposited nearly horizontally with the white on top of the red, got tilted up, and then near the end of the tilting, the red material just got shoved over on top of the white. That's what we think happened right there.
The difference between a violent collision and a more gradual
well,
transfer
the plane on which those the red sits on top of the white is in fact a fault plane. So there were probably earthquakes generated as that moved across the white tuff.
Now, and what creates the spire columns on there?
That's just erosion.
This area is as visually stimulating as it is scientifically intriguing, but we have one more stop to make, so it's time to return to the vehicles for the last leg of our trip.